to show you how smart peacocks are. So I kept the dog food very high so chickens can't get them, but the peacocks are very smart. Peacock is figuring it out. You see that? It has a little flap, but the peacock is smart enough to push the flap and take the dog food and eat it. You see how she's doing it? It's a female peacock. Very smart. Now I need to go and fix it. Otherwise she'll keep coming eating the dog food. It won't hurt them, but I don't want all the dog food to be gone because they eat. They can eat a lot because they love those dog food. They know it tastes good. And once I get closer, she'll run away because she knows that I'm going to catch her tricks. She's very smart. All peacocks are very smart. So I need to find a new idea. I'll keep her away because they are very smart. See how she's looking? She can see the dog food from within, from under the flap. She can see it, so she pushes the flap and eats it. Smart. That's an automatic dog food vending thing. There you vend the dog food, so you don't have to give dog food. Like fill their bowls. You fill this once a week or two. It can hold 50 pounds. So I fill them once in 10 days or so for our dogs. 50 pounds is a lot of food, but once the peacocks start eating them like that, it will be gone in a week. There's the cat. Let me see if I can. So good cat. Fine. All right. Beautiful cat. There's a brown cat. He will catch like snakes and everything. Really good cat. Very good for the farm. Mouse, mice, snakes, they will catch all that. So you can see how the peacock is smart. Hey peacock, what are you doing here? I caught you, I saw you eating the dog food. Huh? This is my storage shed. It's a mess. I need to organize my storage shed. You've been eating dog food, huh? Right? So yeah, so this is the dog food thing. I fill it up, called Pet Lodge Chow Hound. So you fill it up, 50 pounds it can hold from the top. You see, it's very convenient if you have a few dogs. It's very convenient way of feeding them. And I have to do this because otherwise all this peacock, chicken, dogs will try to. I can't keep it on the bottom because they'll come and eat it. All the chickens will come and eat it. So that's the reason I just put it higher, like 2 feet high. Look like that is not enough for the peacock. Peacock can reach them. So I can't keep any higher because dogs won't be able to eat. So either I need to fix this lip because this is a little bent. I can tap it in. Hopefully the flap can go more in. It can close better. It's hitting this metal thing on the side. So I need to bend it a little bit more out inside, and then the flap will close more. So peacock may not be able to see the food, but peacocks are smart. So she might be able to push it again and eat it. That's how it comes out. It's an old one. That's why I had to put a little patch. So it got rusted on the bottom. Yeah, that's how the dog food comes. You see, the more they eat, the more it comes. It went through a little slit. You see the slit? From the slit, the dog food keeps coming. Very convenient. So I'm going to fix that little lip, make sure it can close better. Let's see if the peacock can figure that out. Alrighty.